M0FXB, welcome to my channel. I thought I'd show these two side by side. You've got the Anysecu W2 Pro, or the N61, which is the newer model. And here on the right, you've got the R-Finder B1. There is a newer version of this, but it looks identical. It just has USB-C program charging, and it also has Android 9. But anyway, so at the moment, if we turn this one up, we are listening to DMR. So I'll turn the Anysecu right down, turn this one up. There's your fancy logo from R-Finder there. I'm just rebooting it because R-Finder didn't log in. We're listening on DroidStar on the Anysecu. Let's try it again. R-Finder. Then we hit ROIP. So at the moment we're a normal hotspot. We can receive from a hotspot like this. Okay. Now if you hit ROIP, this is an R-Finder software that you have to have an R-Finder radio. Go to Brandmeister. We should start to receive talk group 91. It's setting the parameters automatically.
Mark.
Right, there you go. Coming through on the DMR OIP, which is basically you don't need a hotspot. Now with DroidStar, you have to upload a vocoder, and then you can use DMR, D-Star, and Fusion. Just show you some more items on the R-Finder. It's quite a clever device. If we go to memory mode, like so, just turn that down. We're receiving everything then. We can choose our zones. Now these zones are actually backed up to a cloud, so you can import them even using your PC or the actual radio. So if we choose HubNet and select HubNet, like so, set parameters. There you go. We're on HubNet now. If we tap the screen, we can change. We got frequencies. We can change the DMR, high, low power, close, or we can go back to a different memory channel altogether. Go to a different talk group zone. They are my repeater. Let's tap that GB3FI, and it will set it up for you. And you're there, and if you PTT, then you can go onto your repeater. You can add an external antenna if you want to get better range, or you can just go home and fire up something like Zello. There's Zello there. Look, log in. We can get Zello on the Anysecu as well. Just close that one down. Zello. Click OK, and it will sign in. You've got your Zello channels. It's only just loaded, so there isn't much history there. It will record, it will receive messages, photographs. You've got programmable buttons here as well, as you can see. You've got Peanut there, which we haven't set up yet. Set up Peanut, you just put in your call sign. So we'll delete M0 FXB. Next. So my fingers are rubbish, aren't they? Get our code in there, and we should be able to log in. Query DMR. If you've got your call sign and your code right, you'll get your DMR ID. You trust. It will find that. Portrait or landscape. We can learn a PTT. So click learn key, and then we'll just go click, and look, you get key 31, and then we submit. Oh yeah, to stop Zello coming to the foreground, you just go 3 dots, options, PTT, and then you go to the hardware button and you tell it to not do that handle button in the background, you untick. There you go, like so. And hopefully if I log out, sign out, then go back to Peanut, submit, let's go choose a room. We'll go to Peanut, then English. Log in. Let's have a chat for the first time. Got our mic here. No, it hasn't learnt our PTT. So let's try it again. We'll log it off. Setup. Learn key. Let's do that again. Definitely worked that time. Submit, then log in. Oh, connection refused. Have I done my settings wrong? Let me check. Okay, it seems to be working. Someone's talking.
Oh, there, Winston.
So I'm sure it refused my connection because someone was talking. So the other one we can do, if we go to the home screen, we can try and get Echolink. So we'll go to the Play Store and we'll search Echolink. Click open and then we'll log in. Need our credentials. Right, we're logged in. Audio test server. I find we tend to have to allow, we have to, if you go connect, it will give you permissions for sound and recording.
Welcome to the Echolink test server. This server records your transmissions and plays them back to help you.
So let's do a test. We'll key the mic. And it probably, it is working. Enable audio. Try again. M0FXB.
N60FXB.
That's worked. And then if we go to settings here, go up to normally microphone gain. I normally up it a bit, +6. Audio stream. And then it has, the PTT has worked, hasn't it? We don't have to do that. If you normally have to do it, you tap it and then you tap this and then you push the PTT and it gives you a code. But that's fine. You don't have to enter the code. It just does it. And then we just go back like so. And now we can end it. And now we can start to use different Echolink servers. So to connect to a server, you just go to locations. Scroll up, I'm going to use Europe. So we'll go Europe. Scroll to the bottom, then United Kingdom. Then I normally use M0HOY. So let's find that. M0HOY, that's HubNet. I'll add it to favorites and then I'll go connect. Let's see if we can have a chat on HubNet. Doesn't seem like anyone's there at the moment. M0FXB. Try that again. M0FXB calling for a contact. Mike 0 Fox X-ray Bravo. Get the volume up.
Yeah, go ahead, Andrea. There was a bit of a QSO going on, but it's all gone horribly wrong there, Q.
Oh, sorry about that. I just logged in on Echolink. I didn't hear the conversation. Back to you. I'll leave a gap for anyone that's there. So that's Echolink. The next one, we've done Zello, Echolink, Peanut.
Yeah, okay, Andrea. So, I thought Dave was on. I'm okay. But yeah, I was sort of broke into a conversation myself, you see. I need to get in touch with